What's going on, guys? Welcome to my new channel. It's been a while, so you may have to bear with me, and I don't have a lot of space at the minute. But here we are. Let's do it. I'm just going to do a quick unboxing and review of the Teamgroup Delta series. So we've got an SSD, we've got a set of RAM. Just going to have a quick look at them. Yeah, so real quick, it's the Delta Max SSD and the XTreem ARGB RAM that we're looking at today, not the Delta series as I previously mentioned. It is a Delta Max SSD, but it's not Delta series RAM, it's the XTreem ARGB RAM. Back to your regularly scheduled programming. We're not going to use them in a system today, that is for a later date. I'm going to revamp my Project Fallout, which you can check out in the links below. Give it a good clean out, some fresh coolant in there, get some UV on the go, get some UV lights in there so it glows a little bit like the Quantum Nuka-Cola in the game series. But today we'll talk about the RAM, we'll talk about the SSD, have a look at the aesthetics, see what we think about it, and then in a future video we'll get them used in Project Fallout, and then we can really see how they look turned on. Okay, so I have a box, a lovely package here from Teamgroup. We do actually have the SSD adapter as well, which I'll be using in the build. This Teamgroup do this themselves. It's a very handy bit of kit if you want to mount an SSD, put it on show as well. Good bit of kit. Magnetic, 2.5 inch SSD, tough and durable as it states on the box, and this will get used. So we've got the T-Force SSD Gaming Delta Max. So this is the white edition of the SSD. You can get a black edition, I do believe. This is a terabyte. And it is like fully RGB compatible, of course. We'll whip it out, shall we? As you can see, now the SSD itself, so you've got protective film over the front of it, so a nice little bit of peeling action. The quality feel to touch is quite remarkable. It's almost like a matte feel, very solid SSD. You've got obviously your SATA power and data, and then you've got a, what is it, micro USB? Is that what it's called? Micro USB? Not the mini, that's the fat one, isn't it? But the micro is, yeah, let's call it a micro. Don't, just Google it. You've got the USB on it for obviously your RGB compatibility. And it is very well accented with the Teamgroup logos. Includes a 3-year warranty, which is actually quite remarkable. I like to see that from manufacturers. Giving it a long warranty, at least it gives you that peace of mind should anything go wrong. You've got two choices for your USB port. You've got either the USB header on the board or a RGB adapter as well. A nice little cleaning cloth there, and of course a user manual. All very handy stuff. Nothing too intensive in the box. At the end of the day, it's an SSD, you know what you're buying. Job's a good one. Now, I certainly love this SSD. I have used Teamgroup products before. They have sent me this to be used in projects. They don't pay me, it's not a paid ad, it's not a paid sponsorship as such. They send me the stuff to use, yes, but I'm not receiving payment for it. I've used their RAM and solid state hard drives for quite a while, and I've always loved them. This particularly is my favourite that they've released. It's my favourite 2.5 inch SSD on the market, for its aesthetics especially, and obviously as you can see here, it's like a panel of RGB, which I really think adds a lot to the aesthetic of a build, especially if you're going to go for an RGB build, or if you're going to go for a build that you just want addressable RGB where you can light it however you want. Something like this, it would be perfect for me. In the Fallout build, I can colour it blue, yellow, I can have it a mix, whatever I choose to do with it, it's going to look great. So that is the Delta Max SSD. A little bit on the performance of the solid state hard drive. Read up to 560 megabytes a second and write up to 510 megabytes a second, which is pretty solid read-write speeds for a 2.5 inch SSD. I'm not going to grumble at that. Now let's look at the RAM. Yeah. So in the box we have the T-Force DDR4 Gaming XTreem. This is a 16GB kit, it's two 8GB modules, and it's 3200 MHz speed. It also states it's a Red Dot winner 2020, so good for Teamgroup. This again is the white edition. The aesthetic, I think, for the white edition is just unbelievable. It's unlike any other RAM and solid state hard drive I've ever seen. So again, very nicely packaged. Lovely little T-Force logo on the interior box as well. Now look at that. It is honestly it's lovely. It's lovely to see the packaging. It's lovely to see the care that's been put into it as well. Again, I think you get a lovely little sticker in there also. Let's get this lid off. Now again, we're not going to get it in a build today. We're just going to have a nice little look at it. Now, obviously, RAM is RAM on the interior, depending on box speed, depending on memory size. However, the aesthetic of the heatsink is what we're looking at here, and the chrome strip there. You've got XTreem ARGB on the front, and the matte, very solid feel of the white is very good to see. And of course, this is ARGB. We will get colour changing on the go when it's in a build. But that is absolutely beautiful. The solid white colour, especially, is just incredible. So, just a little bit about the technology in the RAM. As it's stated on the packaging. Full screen light penetrating design keeps it colourful and translucent, so when that ARGB is connected you've got a huge range of colouring you can choose for your RAM. Premium overclocking 10-layer board, superior performance and capacity upgrade, selected high quality IC with stable and reliable. Again, I will link in the description below and check out yourself, have a look. I do believe to get this black as well. If you can, I'll put that down below also. You can check it out on the website as well. I will upload some lovely product photography also on my Instagram, which you can check out. So, for your memory size, your clock speed, RAM, whatever you need, just check out their options. Check out what's available on their website or on Amazon. I will put the links below. This again is a 3200 MHz speed of RAM, and it's a 16GB kit. I think I will leave it at that. It hasn't been a in-depth review on how the products work. It's more of just an unboxing and aesthetics. Just a little chat about what I think of the products. You can drop a comment below if it's